UK split tier tax treatment if you move to or leave the UK. In the UK, split tier tax treatment applies if you move to or leave the UK during the tax year. Instead of being taxed on your worldwide income for the entire year, the tax year is divided into a UK resident and non-UK resident period. You will only pay tax on UK income during the non-resident part, and worldwide income is during the resident part. To qualify, you must meet specific criteria like starting full-time work abroad or returning to the UK. Split tier treatment is not automatic and may require a self-assessment tax return. It is decided by the Statutory Residence Test (SRT). Please watch our YouTube channel for more information.